Boy.
Hello, welcome to my channel. I've taken on this balcony makeover project where I turn a trashed storage area and turn it into a more functional outdoor living area. I already had a lot of pieces in my own collection that I felt would work well out there, so I began and I started by taking out all the items. That includes furniture, broken appliances, a composter, all to get it ready for sweeping and stain removal. And I like high up, secluded areas that make you feel like you're away from society.
Rapunzel, Rapunzel, will you let down your long hair?
No. I noticed I was losing some daylight, so eventually I just brought up a bag to hang along the railing for me to throw away the more like slender items and not exert so much energy rushing up and down the stairs so often. Also, you may encounter some aggro beetles floating about and you'll be tempted to swat at them. Don't do that. Just save yourself some energy and buy yourself a citronella candle or something. I removed most of the items and I was pretty close to getting ready for a deep clean. So I basically wasted 30 minutes mopping the outdoors when grandma shows up and uses some big brain moves that basically put me to shame. I compare it to like when a Sims character has the neat freak trait and the game constantly criticizes them for agonizing over cleaning like a patch of grass or something. Futile. Anyways, work smarter.
Use this lead to pull the hose up.
Using the hose or a pressure washer, definitely more effective when removing the floor stains and getting ready for paint. I also had to decide whether some pieces that were already up there might work. I liked this chest, it had a nice islandy vibe to it, but the lid was warped and it was very heavy and I got outvoted, so it couldn't stay. Paint beyond the railings where you need to with a brush as opposed to a foam roller, but when you do use the roller, use an extension rod. That helps a lot, and painting with a partner will make it a lot more enjoyable. Yeah, but you know, like I never mess up when I paint, so it was easy.
Have more floor space, but whatever. I did that too, like when she got me the record. She actually got one for me. I didn't know. I like my twin. I like having kind of space. Books. Do you have a napkin? Oh wait, no, that was a lot.
Decorating. The best part to any makeover. One of the key items for a supreme chill vibe in your space is a nice outdoor rug. Just make sure to dispose of the roll or it'll end up in the wrong.
Boy.
Other key items for a supreme chill space include seating for guests or for yourself. This one I found in the basement. not being used, so I gave it a home. If it's not seating, it can also be extra leveling for your plants. And this end table was from indoors, but I gave it a new life out here, and also citronella candle. There's a wicker basket that was not being used, so I just flipped it to create some extra surface area and add texture. Another building block, a statement chair to really state I'm not like other chairs. Some cushions or poof to add some softness to the other hard textures. A planter to house a nice large leafy plant. Lastly, a solar light. Are you ready to see the reveal? Girl, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. You've basically been working with your eyes closed, so you have no idea what it looks like. Open your eyes.
Like, comment, and subscribe.